Okay, so in the first video, how to make a custom iPad, iPhone holder in 21 seconds. Now, I'll show you how to do a custom designed routed to edge. First with a jigsaw. Alright, now that we use the jigsaw, I'll show you how to route the custom iPad iPhone holder with a little round over bit in the router. Now, I'll show you real quick how to sand and finish them. Get a block of wood, a round over, break all of the edges, and make sure it's nice and smooth when you're done. Alright. Now, how to spray your custom iPad.